Welcome to Dubai, a city almost everyone's heard of. But is it really as great as people say? Today we are spending the day at Marina Walk, hopping on a boat to catch the skyline from the water and trying some local food. Let's jump right in. Now it's time for one of my favorite things in the world. Hotel breakfast. Oh, I love it. So let's go. Sadly, the breakfast was somewhat underwhelming. There wasn't a lot of variety, but I tried Arabian dates for the first time and they were so much sweeter and more flavorful than any I've had in Europe. Unnecessary fact: Dubai is among the world's most skyscraper-dense cities with around 270 skyscrapers. We are now Dubai Marina Walk, and first we need something to eat. It's already it's almost 2 p.m. but we were just chilling in a hotel because honestly at 12 it's too hot to go outside. So we just were relaxing for a little while, and now it's time to explore this side of Dubai, which I'm so excited about because it looks so nice already. And honestly, also if you are wondering with the clothing style, especially as a woman, honestly I see so many women here with like shorts or skirt and tops, so I feel like it's not really an issue to like show your shoulders or knees. Of course, if you would go into a mosque, then you need to cover up, and maybe when you go more to like Old Dubai, it's probably better to cover up, but in the city center I feel like it's not a problem at all, and people here are really respectful, really nice, also towards women, which honestly I always thought they are kind of like, I had so many prejudices, okay? So of course I believe what the media told me, and they told like they don't respect women have no rights whatsoever, and honestly this is not the vibe I'm getting. So I feel like it's really easy here. There are probably other countries where it's more difficult, but in Dubai not a problem at all. It's really modern. The Marina Walk is 7 kilometers long and has around 60 restaurants and over 200 shops along it. Developed by Emma Properties, it borders a man-made canal city created by carving water channels into the desert. Look at that skyline. Amazing. And there are so many restaurants and cafes here where you can just sit down and relax, enjoy the view. That's so nice. I could definitely live here. Say that with every country. I'm like, oh my gosh, I can live here, but there are just so many cool countries. What should I do? We even have an AC now. The people are so friendly and accommodating. Okay, this is Arabic salad. Just looks like normal salad, to be honest, but let's try. It's so fresh, perfect for this hot weather. Okay, this is tandoori bread with chicken and some fries. It looks so good. I love this bread. It's so good. The bread is really, it's just good. Really nice. I track every country I've been to kinda know how many countries I've seen so far. It's a little ritual of mine. Food was so good, and honestly for the location with that view it was really cheap. We had 2 meals, 2 drinks and 1 salad for I guess like 50 euros. which in my opinion is really affordable. Like I said, especially for that location and that view. And it was so delicious, so totally worth it. The children playground under the bridge, so there's enough shade. Not gonna lie, it's pretty hot. Again, it hasn't changed since yesterday or today. Anyway, now we are going to a mall just to check it out and to escape the heat a little bit. But this Marina Walk is so pretty. You have so many restaurants, bars, cafes on the side, and you can just enjoy the view. So that's a really, really nice area. The malls here are very clean and luxurious. They even had kind of like German bread. And from the outside you can enjoy the view over Marina Walk. But honestly, it was way too hot to really enjoy it. It's fancy, there's a zip line. I guess you cannot see where it starts, but you can go over the river. Good name, blah blah beach club. It's crazy, like, you know, I like my beer, but that's not really a secret. But here, because it's so hot, I don't even wanna drink something. All I want is water or juice or iced tea, coffee, but that's also fine. You don't always have to drink, right? But I feel like it's pretty chill here. Like, everybody seems friendly and respectful, and I like that. So far, I really do enjoy Dubai. I think it's so nice. I like the skyscrapers, and some people say like, oh, there's no culture here and not many locals, most of them are just expats, and yeah, no culture, no history. I feel like their culture is more like, or like in general, it's more like directed towards the future, not so much the past, which I also like. And you can tell that Dubai really tries their best to be like an amazing city, and honestly I respect that as well. So for me it's not like, oh my gosh, no culture here or no history, like it's just like more the future. So nothing wrong with that, just different. The beach is quite busy though. It's so funny now that it's cooler. So many people are here. It's so much more busier than before when the sun was still out and it was too hot. So I guess life here is happening more in the evening. We took a boat tour at sunset to experience Dubai from a different perspective. Cruising past the Marina Walk was truly impressive. Honestly, I expected the speedboat to go out into open water and be a bit faster, but it turned out to be more romantic than adventurous. But the skyline views were stunning. I'm getting old now, that means I'm interested in supermarkets, but the ones here look so clean and nice and a lot of variety. We even have juice. Look at this, like everything, that's so cool. It's just like a snack box. I'm such a big fan of this supermarket. They have a lot. Right now I live in Singapore and they also have really nice supermarkets, but it's just like cultural, a little bit different. But here it's like exactly what I love and need, and oh my gosh, it's so good. Everything is without alcohol. I don't even know if you could buy alcohol in the supermarket. I'm not sure if you can buy it in every supermarket. no idea. But at least you can buy alcohol-free version. In general, I really like Dubai. I had such a good time here. I'm sad to leave tomorrow, but it was really good. The food is so nice. You have so many different cuisines. It's so international. So many cultures here, different people, which makes it, for me personally, so interesting. And the buildings are fantastic and everything. So I will definitely come back. There's our taxi. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.